Another key component to proper communication and successful communication that is so important in our industry is being able to relate to and identify qualities in other people, and oftentimes on the fly. And there's a couple times Greg talked about the angry child, people who are assertive and quick to react. We get a lot of that on a job site. Not so much nurturing parents on on a job
Mhm.
site. Way more angry child. Um, but as important as it is to identify your own strengths and weaknesses, it's as important, or maybe even more. We'll let Greg chime in, to be able to identify those attributes in other people in order to achieve something, whatever it may be.
Well, I think not only
Mhm.
what I took from Greg's training was not only to identify that, but then move them to a better state. And the better state is the one we haven't mentioned here today, is that is the adult state. The ideal
Right.
communication is one adult talking to another adult. And it's interesting, Greg,
Mhm.
after you taught us all this, it was so interesting to see people who were in that adult state. And I would realize that I was the one not in the adult state. It almost makes you feel bad.
Right.
Like,
Right.
oh man, I need
Right.
to bring myself back to the adult state here.